Hi, and welcome to our channel, where we talk about all things machining. In this video, we're going to talk about trochoidal milling and its benefits. Trochoidal milling is a machining technique that involves creating a series of overlapping circular cuts to remove material from a workpiece. This technique has several advantages over other machining methods. First, trochoidal milling can help to increase tool life. By distributing cutting forces evenly across the cutting edge of the tool, it can reduce tool wear and ultimately lower tooling costs. Second, trochoidal milling can help to increase material removal rates. The overlapping circular cuts used in this technique can remove material more quickly than other methods, especially when machining harder materials or trying to achieve high material removal rates. Third, trochoidal milling can produce high-quality surface finishes. Because the tool follows a smooth, continuous path, the resulting surface finish can be very high quality, especially when using specialized tools with high numbers of flutes. Fourth, trochoidal milling can reduce chatter, which is the vibration that occurs when cutting forces are not distributed evenly across the cutting edge of the tool. By reducing chatter, the cutting process can be smoother and produce a higher quality surface finish. Finally, trochoidal milling is versatile and can be used to machine a wide range of materials, including metals, plastics, composites, and ceramics. It's also suitable for machining complex shapes and features, making it a popular choice for many different applications. So there you have it, some of the benefits of trochoidal milling. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below, and don't forget to subscribe for more machining tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.